Hi there everyone, so great to be outside again, so let's get to it. Yeah, so great to be outside again. I'm sick and tired of just going to work, coming home, staying at home, and then going back to work. And my clothes are getting a little bit tight, if you know what I mean. So yeah, today I'm gonna go down onto the cliff tops and have a walk around, see what's about. Really excited that lockdown's been eased a little bit, so we're able to do this. I'm at my local reserve. Car park's not officially open yet, but you can still park along the side of the road a little bit, but not too many cars can get in here. So yeah, I won't be doing much vlogging, if any, out on the cliff tops because it's really windy outside, and so I'm not sure about the audio quality. But yeah, I'll talk to you when I get back to the car or when I've had something to drink, and we'll see what we get. So I'm hoping for a really good day. I've got my usual equipment today with a Nikon D500 and my 150-600 contemporary Sigma lens, and I'm hoping to get some really nice images because I've altered a couple of settings. I've altered how fast it focuses. I've been watching a couple of YouTube channels and to see how to get it to lock on quicker. So yeah, we'll just see if that works any better. And also, if you've followed me for a while, you'll know I sent my lens off to be recalibrated and have the focusing problem sorted out. So I'm hoping to get some really nice images. So we'll see what we get. So I'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye for now. Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed those few images. It's been really windy down there, so I haven't done much filming of the birds. I'm gonna have a coffee now and then go back down a little later to have a look to see about trying to get some video for you. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. If only the wind had dropped, then I could do some pieces to camera down on the cliff tops. But it's so windy, I don't think you'd have heard me anyway. I'm hoping I'll get some more nice images. I've seen razorbills, guillemots, puffins, gannets. I haven't seen too many guillemots though, so they're still a bit few and far between. They were mainly down on the water, so I didn't get any pictures of them. But I've got, as you've seen, one or two of the puffins and the gannets. Seen a few fulmars, but I don't think I've got any decent pictures. So yeah, hopefully this afternoon I'll get some more nice pictures. The camera seems to be working well, so that's a bonus. So yeah, I'll talk to you a bit later, but if you're enjoying this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithms to put my videos out there so more people can enjoy them. But yes, so far it's been a great day. Lovely sunshine, as you can see. Just a little bit too windy, but yeah, at least it's not raining. So I'll show you a few more pictures now, and I'll catch up with you when I get back. Oh, what a marvellous day it's been. I've got a little bit of footage, but not too much. Seen a pheasant and a kestrel, so that was a bonus. I'll put the images on after this clip anyway. But yeah, it's been a fantastic day. It's been really great to get out again. After being stuck inside for so long, it's wonderful to be in nature again. Like I said earlier, I'm doing all the pieces to camera inside my vehicle because it's been so windy outside. I haven't been able to talk without it all being distorted. But yeah, it was nice to see a kestrel. I looked out for a short-eared owl, but I didn't see it. Maybe it's sheltering with it being so windy, I'm not too sure. I don't know too much about owls. But yeah, it's been a fantastic day, so hope you've enjoyed this vlog. It's been better than something from what I do on the computer and showing you, because I know not many people are into that sort of thing. So if you've liked this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm to get it out there a little bit more. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you'd like to see more of this content, please hit that big red subscribe button. And when you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell and have it set to all notifications. That way you'll get notified of when I upload another video. So until then, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.